29 volts 2A transformer with battery backup, motor cable and AC power cord. Top reviews from the United States. Original equipment. It's hard to find replacement parts for things you have had for years. I've had my lift chair for 10 years, and when it stopped working and I said oh no, but the chair power supply also works with batteries that can get the chair to a sitting position, so I was able to do that, so I knew it wasn't the motor, but the green light on the power supply wasn't lit, so I figured it was gone. Thinking a chair being 10 years old, it might be hard to find replacement parts for it, but I typed in the model number of the power supply and there came up the exact same power supply and at a great price. I was happy.